Hey traders, welcome back. In this video I'm going to analyze the silver chart on 13th of March 2023 and show you some positions that you can make and see what's gonna happen next on silver. So before we start the video, I want you to like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Thank you, and let's start. As you can see in my previous video, which you can check out up there, okay, I told you that we have this trend line broken here. We can enter buy position, put our stop loss below the candle and look for risk reward 2, which it gives us something around 10. Okay, actually 2 days ago or 3 days ago, whatever. Yeah, also right now we can see today we have these trend lines here. One trend line from downside which is not broken yet, another trend line which is broken. Okay, we need for the market to actually we need for this candle to be closed, that we can decide based on that to go for line positions here. And also you can see on the bigger time frame, like 4 hour, we have this trend line in channel. You know, we were in channel, we are still in channel. Okay, we have this trend line broken, but we need the candle to be closed in the 4 hour time frame. Okay, something around 3 and 15 minutes left. Okay, 3 hours and 15 minutes left. But in the 15-minute time frame we have another trend line, which is this one. Let me just zoom on it, we can see better. We have this trend line which it was like this, if I can click on it, which it was like this. When we see this shadow, we extend it like this one, and right now it is broken, but we need to wait for this candle to be closed on actually 1 minute and 30 seconds to decide based on that to go for line positions or not. You know, if it closes like this, we can enter buy position here, somewhere here, and put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer like here, and look for risk to reward 2. Actually, yeah, if we see some stop loss activation here, we can go for sell positions. If we see this trend line broken, we can go for sell positions too. Also we have to see this trend line too, because this is also important. And yeah, we can also enter a sell position on this one too. It depends on your actually risk management and yeah, things like that. Okay, it was about today's analysis. Let's switch to my positions that I made yesterday, not yesterday actually, on 10th of March 2023, and see what happened there. See you there. Welcome back traders. As you can see, we are on the silver chart, 5-minute time frame. Then we're gonna see the 5 positions that I made on 10th of March 2023, and you can learn from them. And actually these are for educational. You can actually see the patterns, trend lines, and how I enter and set my stop loss, and you can learn from them and make positions for yourself. As you can see, on the first position we did have a trend line, okay, like this one, with 3 touches, 1 touch, 2 touch, 3 touches. On the 4th time it was broken here. Okay, we could risk on it and put our stop, enter the sell position here actually first, then put your stop loss up of the candle and look for risk to reward 2, something like this one. And as you can see, it gave us something more than that. Okay, something around 3 here. But it doesn't mean you should exactly take 3 here. You can risk free your position on risk to reward 2 somewhere here. Okay, here put your stop loss on your entry, okay, or actually close all of your position. On the second position we have a trend line here which was broken here. We could enter buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3.8, and even more if you didn't close your position. But in the actually live market, and when you are trading live, when you see these red candles, you cannot control your position and you're gonna close it, okay? Because of that, I just draw these lines until here. Otherwise, I do myself, I do risk free them and actually put my stop loss somewhere safe, or actually somewhere that if my stop loss get activated, I'm not gonna lose any money. Okay, I'm gonna tell you in the future those things in a separate video, just don't worry about them. On the trade 3 we have this trend line, which it was like this. Actually, if I can take it like this, and when we see this shadow here, not a body, out of this trend line, we extend the trend line, and when we see this candle breaks out of that, we can enter buy position here, put our stop loss below the candle or somewhere safer like here, and look for risk to reward 2, which it gives us something around 3. You can also see our reward is on this on this resistance line, and which we see if we see a candle like this one, a shadow on the resistance line, we can risk on it and close our position. Then if we see a nice candle, we can risk on it and go for sell positions. On the trade 4 we do have a trend line with 2 touches. Actually, on the third time it is broken here, we can enter buy position, put our stop loss somewhere safe, and it gave us something around 13. And it doesn't mean you should take all those 13 rewards, okay? You can close your positions everywhere you like. Actually, it shouldn't be lesser than reward 2, risk reward 2, but you can close your position somewhere here, or even here, or even here, okay? And yeah, on the last position we do have this trend line broken here. Actually, let me clean it. Broken here, we can enter sell position, put our stop loss above the candle, and it gave us something around 4.4. okay, thank you for watching this part. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. It's some clicks for you, but it really helps me. Also, please leave me a comment about the videos and if you like them or not. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.
Come at me and you will be replaced. They won't find a trace of you anywhere or any place.